out one. I like that one. Stick this sticker on. Hang on, Phoenix. Oh no, look, there we go. It's coming. It's a coming. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at that. Wow. I'm so happy. It's the first time I've used one of these UV DTF stickers, and I'm so happy with that. That is gorgeous. Now we're going to wipe it over like so. Oh yeah, I need to squirt that with some alcohol. Now I'm going to just layer this. I'm going to squirt that a little bit as well. I'm going to just pour some of this over and see if we can seal it in and slightly dome the top. There we go. That's cool. That's perfect, as much as I want on there. I'll put that up the back there. Oopsie. Okay, so we've got this one, which is completed now. I think the sticker's come up beautifully, hasn't it? And it just domes off that top a bit as well. And so that will be that jar complete.